Hey guys, today we're playing a game. There's don't press the button, and I made it, and it's basically a game when you click something, it makes a disaster or something. So yeah, now there's Doritos everywhere. Yay, Doritos! And everyone also has admin, I don't know why. Okay. Oh my god, now zombies. Kill the zombies. Kill, oh my god. Who did that? Okay, now I'm stuck. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, that's me flaming myself. Okay. Oh, yay. No volcanoes. Oh my god, he's so good. Oh, I killed him. What's the next one? Yeah, volcanoes again. I want to die. Please. Yay, I died. Oh my god. I'm so big. Oh, I need one. Oh, I just flew out of the world. Because the piggies flung me, I think. Oh yeah, and that was a legendary stage. Oh, okay, this one is common. Sword, and I'm gonna... Who will win? Please, Nope, okay, I'm out. Why is it so loud? Okay, what's the next one? Oh, it's a playground, and I'm stuck. I can't even go on this swing. Oh, why? Okay, what this? Okay, and when you stay on the swing and it get deleted, then you'll be like icy, like you're on ice. But don't want to. Yeah, I nearly was icy. Yay, disco, slashy dance, slashy dance. Battle. 1v1. Who will win? Okay, that was so easy. Yay. I wanna sit on him. Yeah, he has Doritos. Oh no, oh my god. Okay, click on the lesson to Chinatown. A hot dog eating contest. No, I don't want that. Just eat that. Eat it. Okay. Just kill everyone. Just kill everyone. Oh, okay, I'm so big. So I want to be normal. Oh my god, legendary. Oh, I died. Right. Stop sizing. Sizer one. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so fast. Right. Oh, yay. Okay. Okay, this one is pretty rare as well. Just Candyland. Just gonna write Uncle Head Admin. Rank all Head Admin. Okay. Everyone wants Head Admin. Okay, what happened? Okay, the next one. Oh, the same one again. I want to be on the Doritos. Yeah. Yay. Oh my god, I'm sleeping on it. Okay. This one again. The cars are pretty common. Why? Oh, he's in the jail. No. Okay, this one is cool. I want to move it out of the world. Yes. Over there. I'm just gonna chill myself. I can't press it. Can I no clip with these? Please? Okay, I can't. On jail. Oh, okay, I need to fix that. Just move it down. Yes. What is happening? They were like falling. Okay, what was that? Yay, disco. Sashi dance. Dance everyone. No, you're gonna be over here. I thought that's the button. Oh, what? Oh my god, what is that? How do you control it? It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Oh, this again? No, it doesn't. Oh my god, it works. Yay. Yay. Fall down. Okay, what's the next one? Where even is he? Oh. What? typing by itself. TP miss. See, oh my god, what is happening? What? It's typing C for me, what? Okay, that's weird. Say what? If I do it fast, say what? So TP miss. Oh, it works now. TP miss. TP miss. Okay, it works. Oh, I didn't see it even. Oh, kick them. Kick them out. Okay, what's the next one? Oh, the zombie just... Okay. See. I'm gonna just... leave them. Oh my god. Oops. Oops. Okay, what the heck did we do? I need to fix that. Start the floor. And done. Oh, okay. 3 tools. How is he floating? How is everybody floating? Clear the material. Okay, done. Now it's better. Oops. Just move it over here. What is that? Quick percent. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. I just died. Oh my god, piggies. No, 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 don't. Oh my god. No. Okay. That was the legendary stage. What? Nothing happened. Oh, I think it's even too high. No, I don't want to place anything. Where's even my mouse? Okay, I broke it again. Why did I break it again? What? So respawn. How is everybody floating? How is everything floating? Where is even my mouse? Skip that. Yes, oh my god, I'm so close. Put it. Down. Where is... Okay. It's here somewhere. Where's my... Okay. I'm gonna end this video right here, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.